everyone, Marco Chiappetta for Hot Hardware here with Melody at Google's event in New York City. She's going to show you the brand new Pixel Slate. Why don't you take it off, Melody?
Okay, great, thank you. So the key thing about the Pixel Slate is it's designed to help you work and play the way you live your life today. And there's a couple things. One is the brilliant display that gives you the brilliant entertainment. This is our molecular display that has 293 pixels per inch. It's 12.3 inches. The other thing is it's super light. It's 9 millimeters thick, and it also has evenly balanced center of gravity, so it's perfect for holding and also watching entertainment. The other thing is it has the Chrome OS reimagined to give you split screen capability, and we have accessories like the Pixel Slate keyboard so that you can do more, and the Pixelbook pen that comes in midnight blue now. And then the last piece of this is it's designed to help you live in the moment. And what that means is that you have helpfulness built in with the Google Assistant, even pressing the pen to bring up the Google Assistant to ask for help. When I'm not in the middle of watching a video.
Gotcha.
And also automatic updates that happen in the background so that you always have the latest features and security.
Perfect.
And that's the Google Pixel Slate.
Cool. Can you pop it in the folio for everybody?
Absolutely. So if you put it in the folio, it just snaps right in. And then you can adjust the folio so that you have infinite angles and degrees. The keyboard is fully backlit with round keys, full trackpad. The keyboard is the same as a large size keyboard as well, so it's very comfortable to use.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Melody.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.